Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prioritizing safety and rapid diagnosis. Lift the car only after chalking wheels and using rated jack stands. This prevents injury and lets you access components. Once done, disconnect the battery for electrical work and scan for fault codes to narrow the problem. You should check fluids, belts, visible leaks, and battery voltage. These simple tests often reveal the root cause and tell you whether you need parts, a specialist tool, or a deeper teardown. You tackle the repair by following the service manual step by step so you get torque and order correct. That prevents wasted callbacks. Next, remove and replace wear items that commonly cause failures: filters, belts, hoses, spark plugs, and gaskets, because they're quick wins. As you work, bag and label fasteners and take reference photos to preserve routing and connector positions. This saves hours on reassembly. Make incremental checks. Start the engine briefly when safe to verify fixes, and monitor for new leaks or codes. You finish by reassembling everything, torquing to spec, reconnecting the battery, and clearing codes so systems recalibrate properly. Then test drive on a mix of city and highway conditions for 10 to 20 minutes while watching temperatures, listening for abnormal noises, and confirming performance. If problems continue, isolate the issue. Recheck ground straps, vacuum lines, and sensor wiring for corrosion or breaks, and review freeze frame data from the OBD-ROMAN 2 readout to pinpoint intermittent faults. That targeted troubleshooting gets you to a reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.